Hi, in this video I am going to discuss realization of gates using universal gates. We can use only NAND gates for constructing all other NOT, NOR, or AND, NOR, XOR and XNOR gates. Similarly, we can use only NOR gates for constructing all the other gates. Hence, NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates. This is realization of NOT gate using NAND gates only. We know that the output expression for NOT gate is A bar, Y is equal to A bar. So this is the NOT gate expressions. The NOT gate has single input and single output. So the equivalent NAND gate representation is we are tied together the two inputs of the NAND gate to make a single output. So now input single output A and the output Y is equal to A bar. This is the NAND circuit with the equivalent NOT circuit. Realization of OR gate using NAND gates only. So the output expression for NOR gate is A plus B. So we are taking double complementations. The double complementation A plus B, the double complements is equal to A plus B. Now we are using the De Morgan's theorem to split the values A bar dot B bar. Now we are using with this logic to implement OR gate by using NAND gates only. So this is an OR gate symbol. The output is Y is equal to A plus B. For that we are using the single input NAND gates. So this input 1 is given and here input B is given. Output we are getting as A bar, B bar. Now we are applied to another two input AND gate. So we are getting the output as Y is equal to A complement dot B complement, and this bubbles give one more complement. So the whole complement. Now we are using the De Morgan's theorem. So A plus B, A double complement plus B double complement gives A plus B. So the OR gate is realized using only NAND gates. Realization of NOR gate using NAND gates only. The NOR gate output is Y is equal to A plus B the whole bar. We are applying De Morgan's theorem, so we are getting A complement dot B complement. So the two NAND gates are used for the two NOT functions, and another two NAND gates are required for implementing the dot function. Hence totally 4 NAND gates are required. So first let's see how we are going to implement. So the A bar dot B bar by single input NAND gates we are taken first. So A input is given, so we are getting A bar, and B input from this B bar. Now we are given to the two input NAND gates. From this we will get the output as A complement dot B complement the whole bar. Now this is given to again the single input NAND gates. So the output is Y is equal to A complement dot B complement double complements. So double complements equal to the double complements is removed. So Y is equal to A complement dot B complement. Now we are applying De Morgan's theorem for this condition. So we will get Y is equal to A plus B the whole bar. XOR gate using NAND gates. The output expression for XOR gate is A bar dot B plus A B bar. Now we are taking the double complementations. Then we are applying the De Morgan's theorem and finally expressing the equations in this way. Now the implementation is we are taking the two single input NAND gates. So the output is A bar and B bar at this position. Now output at this gate is A bar dot B the whole complement, and the output at this position is A dot B bar the whole complement. Now the output at the final gate is equal to Y is equal to A exclusive B. Realization of XNOR gate using NAND gates. The XNOR gate is equal to XOR gate connected with a NOT gate. So the output at this point is y is equal to a exclusive y is equal to a exclusive b. Now we are connected to one inverter gate at this position. So we are getting y is equal to a exclusive b the whole. Realization of NOT gate using NOR gates. NOT gate is a single input and single output gate. So we are tie the two inputs of a NOR gate to obtain the NOT gate function. So the output y at this point is a plus a the whole bar. A plus a is equal to a. So the y is equal to a bar. The input is a and the output is a bar. So the NOT gate is up. Realization of OR gate using NOR gates. OR gate output expression is y is equal to a plus b. Now we are taking the double complementation a plus b the whole bar. So the implementation is a, b, the two input is given to one NOR gate. So we will get the expression at this point is a plus b the whole bar. Now we are connected on single input NOR gate. The output at this point is y is equal to a plus b. The double complementation it's equal to a plus b. Realization of AND gates using NOR gates. The AND gate output is y is equal to a dot b. Now we are taken the double complementation and applied the De Morgan's rule. Then the Boolean expression is written like this way. Now we are using two single input NOR gate first. So the input A is written like this AB. We will get the output at this position is A bar B bar. Then we are connected the two inputs to one more NOR gate. The output at this position is y is equal to a bar plus b bar the whole complement. It's equal to a dot b by applying De Morgan's theorem at this position. Realization of NAND gate using NOR gates. The NAND gate expression is y is equal to a dot b the whole complement. Now we are applied the De Morgan's rules here. So first I used the two single input NOR gate. The output we obtain at this position is a bar b bar, and here the output at this position is y is equal a bar plus b bar the whole complement, and the output at this NOR gate output is y is equal to a bar dot plus b bar double complement. Now the double complements are removed, then applied the De Morgan's rule. So we will obtain the answer is y is equal to a dot b the whole complement. Realization of XOR gate using NOR gates. The XOR gate expression is a bar dot b plus a b bar. Then we apply double complementation and De Morgan's theorems. Finally, the return the expression in this way: a plus b bar the whole complement plus a bar plus b the whole complement. Now the implementation is the two inputs are given this way. We will obtain the input at this position is a bar and here b bar. Now at this position a bar plus b the whole bar and here a plus b bar the whole bar. Then the output at this position is y is equal to a exclusive b bar. Realization of X NOR gate using NOR gates. The two single input NOR gates are used, a bar b bar, and the output at this position is a bar plus b the whole bar, and this position is a plus b bar the whole bar, and the expression at this position is y is equal to a exclusive b the whole bar.